guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manuella Rachuelle, and today we're doing something different than I usually post on my channel. I'm not doing a tutorial today for you guys. I'm going to be telling you the essential things that you need as a beginner. Let's get started. So the first important thing that you really need is brushes. You need a foundation brush. You need a good foundation brush, I would say. Yeah, you just need one that buffs out your foundation nicely, and also a beauty sponge. Always use this wet, guys, and wash it. I washed it and then I used it, so that's why it's a little bit dirty, but yeah, you can just wash it with sunlight, any kind of soap, and water, and just squeeze it out. Yeah, squeeze it out. I wouldn't say you need a concealer brush because you can use this to blend out your concealer, but again, it's what you prefer. You can use any kind of brush. Makeup is about being creative. If you want to use a foundation brush for something else, you can. You just do whatever you want, and as long as your face comes out looking nice at the end, that's all that matters. So don't think that just because somebody said that, oh, this is just a blush brush, you can use this for anything. Just try it out for whatever. You can use it as a contour brush. Sky is the limit when it comes to makeup. You need eyeshadow brushes if you are into eyeshadow. I don't think beginners usually venture into eyeshadow, or if they do, they just place like one color on their lid. So maybe if you just look for a set that has like one or two eyeshadow brushes, like a blending brush like this. This is a blending brush for your eyeshadow, and you just use this to blend out your eyeshadow so that it just doesn't look like you just placed it there. And you need like a flat brush. Sorry, like I don't have my glasses on, so seeing and like telling you, it's just, yeah. Let me just get a brush because I don't want to look there. A flat brush. This is what you usually use to place like shimmers on your lid. So if you're just placing one color on your eyelid, you would want this brush and then this brush to blend it out. Moving on, you need a powder brush. I use my powder brush for everything. So I use my powder brush to place powder on my face, and then I use my powder brush to place blush on my face and contour my face. Yeah, like you can do whatever, guys. I'll leave a link below if anybody wants to order themselves these brushes, because literally comes with everything, and they're so affordable, and they're so good. Like, it's soft, guys. The bristles are really soft, so that's what you want. Like, you want to make sure that your brushes are soft. Yeah, you need a highlighting brush. I got this highlight brush from Morphe, which is a Morphe R36 highlight brush. You usually want a brush that's kind of shaped like this, and yeah, that's what you want to highlight your face. Yeah, so let's move on to the face. So I'll just go in the steps that I do my makeup. So the essential things that you need in those steps. So we'll start off with our eyebrows, because I do my eyebrows first. So what you need is an eyebrow pencil. My eyebrow pencil is from Rimmel London in the shade black brown, in the shade black brown. You can use any kind of pencil. I don't think you need to waste money buying like expensive pencils. I don't remember how much this pencil was, but it was cheap. I'll try to look and see if I can find out. I bought it a while ago in South Africa in Clicks. And then you need an eyebrow concealer. You don't really need an eyebrow concealer. What you could do is, if you don't have a lot of money to get an eyebrow concealer and a face concealer, You could just use a face concealer to carve out your eyebrows, which is what some people do. Also depends on the shade of your concealer. If you don't know how to fill in your eyebrows, I have a tutorial on how I fill in my eyebrows. If you guys would be interested in watching that, I'll just put the link down below in my description box. Moving on to face, you need a good primer. I use a priming based water from Revolution. Primers create smooth canvases for you to apply your makeup onto. Depending on the kind of primer that you get, it'll all be like different kinds of effect. When you're buying a primer, make sure to ask for your specific skin type. Like mine is for dry skin. So when I'm looking for primers, I look for primers for people with dry skin. Sorry guys, I'm itchy. I think my eczema is acting up. So yeah, I'm just itchy. So if you see me scratching, don't mind me, it's my eczema. That brings us on to our foundation, which is the same. Look for foundation that is your skin tone and also for your skin type. You need a good foundation. I use Black Opal's Pore Perfecting liquid foundation, and mine is in the shade Nutmeg. I love this foundation. I also use Bobbi Brown, but that one's finishing, so I need more foundation, but I don't think I'll be getting Bobbi Brown again. I want to try out the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay foundation, the new one. So I think that's what I'll be trying to get my hands on next. And then moving on to concealers. I have the LA Girl Pro Concealer and the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I don't use this. This is like light. So I use this on my clients. But yeah, this one I use on myself. And I also use Black Opal Under Eye Concealer in the shade Honey. I use these to highlight my face. So that's just placing highlight on my T-zone. If you are interested in highlighting, you should get something that's maybe 3 shades lighter than you. Yeah, 3 shades lighter than you. And then after concealer, after highlighting your face, you need a powder. So we use a powder and a brush to set your makeup, which is these. And this is from the new brushes that I got. I got this powder from Black Opal, and it's the deluxe finishing powder in the shade Medium. It's really great. I don't have any problems with it. Moving on to contouring. If you can, it's easier if you guys get like a palette that has your contour shade. This is a blush shade. These are like highlight shades for different skin tones, obviously. But yeah, like you could get like a palette that has your contour shade and a blush in it. I've seen some of those, I just don't have any, but yeah, this is the best, and it saves money. It saves your money, definitely, because if you just got like a contour shade and then like bought a blush and you're just starting off, like it doesn't make sense, because you're not even sure if you're into makeup yet, so you're still trying and you might not like it, and then yeah, like you spend so much, unless you can afford it, guys. Like if you can afford it, like do what you want, guys. Moving on. What else? What is next? Do you guys know what next we do to our faces? Yes, after I contour my face and apply blush, I put highlight. I use this highlight. As you can see, it has been through some trying times. I think I dropped it while I was filming. Yeah, I dropped it while I was filming.
Yeah, I guess. It was hard, but I mean, it's still usable.
I've seen people like fix their powders that they've dropped, and like yeah, so I want to try that out and get my baby back to its self, back to its normal self, back to the beginning. I don't know, but yes, I use the Revolution strobe highlighter in the shade Gold Addict. That's what I'm wearing right now. I don't know if you guys can see my highlight, but yeah, that's what I'm wearing. And I use my Morphe R36 brush, highlighter brush, to place it on my face, all over my face, basically where I put it, all over. And now we are moving on to setting spray, which is what you use when you're done with everything on your face. So the last thing, no jokes, yeah, yes, move on to setting spray. We use setting spray to set everything that's on our face. I use a hyaluronic fixing spray. That's the one from Revolution. It's a hydrating and plumping plumping. It's a hydrating and plumping makeup fixing spray. Again, I use something that hydrates my face because I have dry skin, so you would want to get something that gives you a matte finish. So all this oily people, just look for stuff that's a matte finish and you're good, because you want a matte finish when you have oily skin. Yeah, and last but not least, I feel like lip gloss. Lip glosses are important. Yeah, you need a lip gloss. As a gloss, I use the lip gloss from Rimmel London. And what shade are you? It just says oh my gloss, but yes, like it's brown. It's not a clear lip gloss, obviously. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you if you're like wanting to venture into makeup and you're not sure where to start. I hope this video helps you. If there's anything that you feel like I left out, or if there's something that you want to know, please feel free to ask me. Just ask me in the comment section below, or if you follow me on Instagram, you can DM me, or DM me anyway. If you follow me on any of my social media platforms, you could DM me there and I will get back to you. I did the whole questions thing on Instagram and I asked people what kind of videos they wanted to see from me, and a few people mentioned this. They wanted to know what products they needed as a beginner, and other people asked me about skincare routine and Q&A, get to know me. So I will be doing those videos mixed with like tutorials, so I won't just do like all of those back to back, because I know some people also still want to see like the tutorials. They want to see like, you know, my makeup tutorials. So for my Q&A, I will do it while doing my makeup. It's just that I won't be explaining what I'm doing, but yes, I will be like taking turns, because I know some people wanted to hear me talk. So this is for y'all, you know. This is like, yeah, people wanted me to like actually talk in my videos instead of like doing a voiceover. So guys, like, I got you. I'm doing what you want, guys. So feel free next time I ask questions, like, guys, don't be scared. Like, it's okay. I'm not scary. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Precious when you smile.